Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to extract day, month and year from a date in Excel. So, here I have taken a date Monday, March 18, 2024 and now I will extract day, month, year, weekday and week number respectively from this date. So first of all, I will write function that is simply day and press tab and select date and enter, and you can see it has extracted 18th day of March. So in next we'll again write function that is month, and function is also month, month, and select the date and enter, and here you can see it has extracted 3, that is third month of the year. Now I will extract the year, equal to year, press tab and select the date and enter. And now we will extract weekday. So again we will write formula weekday, tab and select the cell and enter. So, and in the end we will extract the week number. Formula is equal and week num, tab and select the cell and enter. So this is how you can extract day, month and year from a date in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.